What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm talking to you guys about my 14th dividend payment with AGNC. I love getting dividend payments, but more specifically, I love getting monthly dividend payments, and AGNC allows me to do that. So once again, that's what we're talking about, my 14th dividend payment in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to the stock market, I obviously, like everyone else, I've had an interesting journey. Currently, my portfolio is worth $274,000. Of course, I will share that with you guys on the screen. And it's been an interesting ride. There was basically in the last week or so, my portfolio was down as much as $20,000, which is quite interesting. It's always a roller coaster of a ride when it comes to the stock market. But overall, I'm still up, which I'm very, very grateful for. But like I said, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my most recent dividend with AGNC, which is a monthly paying dividend. It is a REIT, so this is always good for me. I love getting these monthly payments because eventually, one day, not today, maybe tomorrow, I will be living off of these dividend payments. So I'm very excited to share that with you guys. So currently on the screen, you can see my portfolio is currently valued at $274,000 as of the making of this video. Overall, my experience on Robinhood, I'm currently up $24,000 on Robinhood. Since I started to invest or reinvest again, which was back in May of 2020, I have invested $241,000 in the market, and since then I am basically up like $30,000 or $33,000 at this particular time. Okay, so I just want to show you guys that. But of course, you know, there was not so good times here back in October 2020. As you can see, my portfolio was negative $63,000, or it was valued less. I was down $63,000, which my portfolio at that time was $182,000. So it hasn't always been, you know, just a positive experience. Of course, you guys can see my journey here since 2020 in regards to the stock market. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on AGNC and show you guys. So currently, right now, my market value in regards to AGNC is $3,009.89. They're currently trading for $15.20. My average cost is $14.95. Overall, the market has kind of gone down, or at least the stocks in which I'm invested, it's gone down quite a bit in the last couple of weeks. There was a point where my portfolio was valued at like $289,000, even $290, but now it's at $274. Okay, so currently my total return in regards to AGNC is I'm up 1.69%. which happens to be $49.94. This particular move that I have as far as investing with AGNC is more about getting the dividend payments and allowing that to grow and do its thing over time. And eventually, I will have several $100s that I'll be getting monthly from AGNC if I let this sit here for a long time. So I'm going to show you guys my most recent payment here with AGNC. As I scroll down, you guys can see here that I got a dividend payment on December the 9th, okay? And that was for $23.59. I currently at the time had 196 shares. So AGNC is paying 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get the dividend payment for $23.59. And then as you can see here on December the 9th, because on Robinhood, I have the dividend reinvestment plan turned on, which is DRIP. They were able to go ahead and grab some shares, or a share and almost a share and a half in regards to how many stocks I could purchase with AGNC. So they were able to grab 1.48 shares, and at the time it was trading for $15.93, which is obviously higher because right now it's trading for $15.20 at the making of this particular video. But I do like having the dividend reinvestment turned on just because I don't have to manually go in and purchase. I think I have 10 different companies that I'm invested that pay dividends. And so it can get a little tricky having to go in and manually purchase these not dividends, but manually purchase these stocks or shares or fractions of a shares on stocks every single time I get a dividend payment. So I just automatically have it enabled. This is my 14th dividend payment for the people that like to know that. Just kind of show you guys and give you guys some perspective here in regards to the dividends. So if I click on dividends here, you're going to see all my dividend payments, which started way back here, November the 10th, 2020. So from November to November is 12 payments, or I guess 13 payments. And then today, not today, but December the 9th would have been my 14th payment. So I'm really excited. And just to kind of show you guys a little progression, you can see that the dividend payments started way back over here. Of course, I was getting $9. You see $9 2 months in a row. But then in January, I grabbed some more shares. And so basically from January till now, the dividend payment has increased from $21.08 there. And the most recent one is $23.59. Now, that's not necessarily a lot. But once again, I'm not necessarily concerned with the dividend payments that I'm getting today. I'm more concerned about the dividend payments that I'll be getting tomorrow. And that should be, in the next 15, 20 years, that's going to be at least $100 or maybe even a couple $100 in regards to dividend payments with AGNC. So that's what I'm really excited about. On this channel, I try to show you guys, obviously, my journey. This channel is not about getting rich quick or anything like that. Of course, there's always a lot of ways to make money in the stock market, and I'm nowhere close to being a guru. I'll never pretend to be such, but I do want to document my journey and show you guys how I'm being successful now in the stock market. I wasn't always successful, but now I am, and so it's exciting to be able to create videos and show you that. But I always want to be transparent and let you know that it hasn't always just been green days. You know what I mean? Every day is kind of up and down with the stock market, or definitely every week and every month. Okay, so it's all over the place. The thing is, it's best to make sound decisions because you've done your research, you feel comfortable with the companies that you choose to invest, and maybe you're not necessarily looking for a short-term investment, which should give you some peace of mind in regards to where to put your money. For example, I think it's always a good move to look into investing with ETFs just because you're automatically diversified. It kind of takes the research out of it, or it takes a lot of research out of it, where you would be analyzing one specific company and like, should you put your money here and how much money do you park here? Whereas with an ETF, if you're investing in an ETF that may be growth driven or technology driven or just based on the S&P 500, you know exactly what you're getting into, and you're just researching, that particular ETF as opposed to one specific company and then deciding to dump your money into it. All right. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe because I'm just going to be doing videos and showing you guys my journey, and hopefully I can help someone along the way. All right. That's going to be pretty much it for this video. My name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.